Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on Unit 4, 5 and 6 of the maintenance of electrical equipment. So, the first is routine test of transformer include options are first is transformer winding resistance measurement, second is transformer ratio test, third is dielectric test and fourth is all above. So, the routine test of transformer include for all. So, routine test of transformer include transformer winding resistance measurement, transformer ratio test, transformer vector group test, measurement of impedance voltage, short circuit impedance and load loss, measurement of no load loss and current, measurement of insulation resistance, dielectric test of transformer, test on on-load tap changer, oil pressure test on transformer to check against leakage past joints and gaskets. So the objectives of heat run test on transformer. Options are first is to determine actual maximum temperature, second is while running at full load, third is used to regulation efficiency, fourth is all. So the answer is all. All the options are correct. So what is the type test, temperature rise, heat run on test on transformer? So here see, this test is primarily intended to determine the actual maximum temperature obtained on different parts of transformer while running at full load. This test is also used to define regulation efficiency. Third question is high voltage test on transformer is performed. Options are first is to determine copper loss, second is to determine core loss, third is to know the weakness of insulation due to switch, fourth is to know abrupt changes in transformer. So the answer is option 3, to know the weakness of insulation due to switch. Question number 4 is which test is performed to determine impedance and copper loss of transformer? Options are no load test, short circuit test, high voltage test, none. Answer is option 2, short circuit test. Short circuit test is performed to determine impedance and copper loss of transformer. Fifth is regenerative test on transformer is. मीन्स रिजनरेटिव टेस्टलाच दुसरं नाव कोणतं आहे? तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत बॅक टू बॅक टेस्ट, फेजिंग आउट टेस्ट, लाइटिंग इम्पल्स टेस्ट, सेपरेट सोर्स व्होल्टेज. So the answer is option 1, back to back test is also called the regenerative test on transformer. Question number 6 is which factor affect life of transformer? असे कोणते फॅक्टर आहेत की जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या लाईफवर अफेक्ट करतात? तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत मॉइश्चर, ऑपरेटिंग टेम्परेचर, third is oxygen and fourth is all above. So the answer is fourth, that is all above. These are all the factor affect the life of transformer. Next is what is the color of silica gel when recharge is required? Options are one is pink, second is blue, third is black, fourth is green. Answer is pink, means option 1 is the answer. ट्रान्सफॉर्मरमध्ये ब्रीदर असतो, त्यामध्ये सिलिका जेल जे असते ते मॉइश्चरला ॲब्झॉर्ब करते, तर त्याचा स्टार्टिंगला कलर ब्लू असतो आणि त्यानंतर ते डस्ट पार्टिकल्स मॉइश्चर ॲब्झॉर्ब केल्यानंतर त्याचा कलर हा पिंक होतो. तर तेव्हा असं लक्षात येते की हे सिलिका जेल चेंज करण्याची आवश्यकता आहे, मीन्स देर इज अ रिक्वायर्ड टू रिचार्ज. सो आवर आन्सर इज ऑप्शन 1, that is pink. Question number 8 is which insulating material can be used after earth temperature of 130 degrees Celsius? वेगवेगळ्या टेम्परेचरवरती वेगवेगळे इन्सुलेटिंग मटेरियल आहेत. तर earth temperature of 130 degrees Celsius is the mica. Insulating material can be used after earth temperature of 130 degrees Celsius. Question number 9 is what value of ratio indicates a poor insulation? Below 2, below 2.5, below 1.5, below 3. Our answer is below 1.25 is our answer. So here see, not a 1.25. Our answer is option 2, that is below 2.5. Question number next is, what is the minimum flash point value of transformer oil? So 140 degree is the minimum flash point value of transformer oil. Question number 11 is, the breakdown voltage test of transformer oil. What is standard gap length between two electrodes? 4 mm, 2.5 mm, 3 mm, 2 mm. So our answer is option 2, that is 2.5 mm. The breakdown voltage test of transformer oil. Then the standard gap length between two electrodes is 2.5 mm. Question number 12 is, what is the size of test cell in BDV? So the correct answer is option 1, 50 into 90 into 100. Question number 13 is, to measure breakdown strength of oil, this test can be done. Options are, first is dielectric strength test, second is acidity test, third is crackle test, fourth is flashpoint test. So the answer is 1, dielectric strength test can be done. Question number 14 is, polarization index is measured to check. Options are, moisture in insulation, second is the fitness on motor, third is oil quality, fourth is all above. So the answer is 1, that is polarization index is measured to check moisture in insulation. Insulation resistance decreases as, options are, temperature increases, second is temperature decreases, third is constant, and fourth is known. So their answer is option 1, temperature increases. Means insulation resistance decreases as temperature increases. Question number next is, magnetostriction can be seen in core lamination, bushing, oil tank, cooling fan. So the answer is 1, that is magnetostriction can be seen in core lamination. Question number 17 is, Megger indicates 0 while both terminals are kept open. This is true or not? So the answer is false. Means Megger indicates 0 while both the terminals are kept open. This is the false statement. Then next is, the use of bearing puller in testing and maintenance. This question in the unit number 6. So our answer is, for withdrawing sprockets. Means bearing puller in testing and maintenance is used for withdrawing sprocket. Then the use of filler gauge in testing and maintenance. So the use of filler gauge is that to check air gap. Then next is, the use of dial test indicator in testing and maintenance. So for checking run out of rotating machine. Means option 4 is the answer, checking run out of rotating machine, dial test indicator. Question number 21 is, what should be the reason transformer overheating? Options are, pressure of moisture, poor quality of oil, none of the above, failure of cooling system. So our answer is option 4, failure of cooling system. Reason of transformer overheating. Question number 22 is, the use of spirit level in testing and maintenance. So the answer is 4, that is checking of foundation level. Question number 23 is, the use of groveler in testing and maintenance. So the answer is 2, for finding shorter turns on armature or stator rotor winding. Question number 24 is, what effect does losing of foundation bolts have on the machine? Options are, vibration, sparkling, loss of function known. So the answer is option 3, that is loss of functions. Question number 25 is, effect of misalignment on the performance of direct coupled machine. Options are, increasing load of bearing, second is excessive temperature, third is temperature increases, fourth is all. So the answer is all options are correct. Means effect of misalignment on the performance of direct coupled machine is that increasing load of bearing, excessive temperature increasing. So thank you. I hope you like this video.